Hello everyone, welcome again. And this tutorial we are going to continue with automation tutorial, Selenium WebDriver, and today we'll see what is a WebDriver interface and WebElement interface under the Selenium. So driver basically here. So basically WebDriver is a medium, or you can say communication medium between the Selenium or your browser, like you are using the Chrome browser or Firefox browser. So how will you communicate with this browser? Like you want to perform some operation with browser, so you need to load some URL, you need to click on some event. So browser will help you to do that. So they are providing particular Chrome driver or Firefox driver, and we have in Selenium WebDriver interface, which contains all the methods with only names without any implementation. That method will help to communicate with drivers. So practically, if you want to see, like when we create object of WebDriver, when we create the reference of WebDriver, and here we create a complete object of Chrome driver. So we will get the complete access of the Chrome driver window in this driver variable. So I want to perform some operation, and I want to tell to Chrome browser to perform an operation for me, like maximize your window. So we have a method inside this WebDriver interface, manage.windows.maximize. So it will maximize the window. Next, if I want to perform that operation, like enter a URL, load a URL, so we have a get method for that inside this WebDriver interface. So similarly close. If you want to see the complete methods, you can just write it just inside your editor eclipse, write the driver, and you can see the complete methods are there about the WebDriver. So the next topic is what is a Bev element. So simply Bev element is okay. If you want to read complete things about the Selenium WebDriver, you want to clear your doubt about the WebDriver, you can read this complete article or the scenario. So you will clearly understand what is the WebDriver and why we need exactly this WebDriver for the automation. Similarly, if we talk about the element or Bev element, so simply when you load a web page on any browser, you will get the complete HTML code. So this code contains some text like heading tag, input tags, or button tag, or something. So to perform operation with this text, we need to use that Bev element interface. So like I want to perform a click operation, so I need to find that button. So I will use the find by method or XPath or something, and when we perform, I want to perform that click operation, so just I will perform the element dot click. So it will directly perform an operation by using the bev element. So in source code, practically you want to see, like I need to create, and I want to find an element from this code1.com. So I need to perform an operation. I need to tell to my browser driver dot find element by XPath. So driver will tell to my browser find an element with this XPath, and now I need to store this driver in. I need to catch that particular element. So I will use the bev element. So I will get that particular element in this element, and I need to click on that element or something I need to perform. I can perform. So I'm just going to pass the XPath of that particular any button or any link or heading, like this. I want to click on that project, so I just right click. How to find the XPath, this is also necessary. So right click on this, click on inspect element, and I can change the view from here this way, and select the particular thing where you want to click particular element. So I want to click on the project, select that project, right click, click copy and copy XPath. Just pass this XPath here, and I want to click on this particular element. So element dot click. So I'm going to run this. Let's see what happens. So in this tutorial you have seen like how we can use the driver and elements, and what is element and why exactly we use the element and driver for the Selenium. So what is the practical uses, and what is the practical things that you need to know about the driver and WebDriver and WebElement. So thank you so much for watching. uh, Please wait, but first watch that complete automation script. It will take time to load browser because sometime website take time to respond. Now browser is loaded. Now once it will click on project, you can see now project is loaded. So we get this element and click on the particular element. Now browser is also closed. So thank you so much for watching. If you like the videos, and you can subscribe channels for the next videos, you will get notified. So in next tutorial we will discuss about what I think we need to discuss it next. Navigation in browser commands. We will work with navigation in browser command in next tutorial.